Hello guys. In this video I will be telling you how to root any Android device manufactured by any company such as Samsung, OnePlus, LG etc.
Swag, bitch.
So, download the latest version of KingRoot on your device. I will give you a link in the video description. Make sure your device is having enough amount of battery. I would suggest you to connect the charger during this process. Now, open the KingRoot APK that you have downloaded and then install it. Wait until the installation completes. Make sure that your device is connected to the internet during this process. After the installation complete, open the KingRoot APK. Swipe up and then click on Try It. It is checking your device for various things before it starts rooting. This process may take different amount of time depending on the speed of the processor of your device. It is showing a root error, but don't worry, click on the error and then click on Fix Now. It will fix it by itself. Please note that I have rooted this device many times before. When you will root your device it may restart 2 to 3 times. Don't worry about it. It is normal. And if you face any kind of problem during this process, comment down below. I would be happy to help you. As you guys can see, the error is fixed, and it is showing rooted successfully. Let us see what the root check app says. So it is also saying that the device is rooted. Leave a like if it helped you. And if you have any questions, comment down below.